Hello guys, my name is Igor and today I'm going to show you my workflow between 3ds Max, Quixel Suite and Marmoset Toolbag, and I will be using Marmoset Toolbag 3, the new one, to bake the normals, and now I will be using Quixel Suite 2.0, okay? I guess it's the new updated Quixel, I'm not sure if I updated, but that doesn't really matter. So if we go in 3ds Max, you can see here my wall poly, okay? Let me just select toggle edge faces. As you can see, it's my wall poly, and I have here my eye poly. Okay, I'm just going to convert it to. It's already converted. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. So what we need to do? We need to export these ones. Okay, make sure they are centered. Export selected. Low, radio tutorial low, I'm just going to call it that. Okay, check out if your settings are the same as mine. Okay, this can change because of engines, and if you want to export for another application, okay, you will need to see in your application. And here we have our eye poly. I'm just going to deselect it. As you can see, it has much more detail than our wall poly, and we are just going to center it so it is on the same place that our wall poly is, and we are going to export it. Read tutorial we are going to name it like that. Export it once again. Let's wait a bit. Okay, now we need to bake our ID map. And what is an ID map? It's a map that is like this configuration, and each color means basically one material that will be associated with it. We are going to use it in Quixel Suite. And if I show you, this one is for our portable radio. I'm going to show you how we can make one. Okay, so let's go to our radio. I'm just going to convert it to collapse all modifiers, and we can do this. I'm just going to show it on UV, sorry. Okay, this one is the same. Let me just grow it. Is the same as this one. Okay. So to make that kind of map, what I do, you can bake this map in Marmoset, but I prefer to bake it in 3ds Max. So I'm just going to convert it again to erase all modifiers, and what I do is like this. You go to a default material, and here in self illumination I'm going to set color to 100%. Okay. And what this will make is that when you go and render, the light won't have any influence in the result of the material. So you will have this kind of map. Okay, no shadows, just the color. Okay, flat color. So if we go, I'm just going to show you. You choose the color to 100%. Okay, it's self illumination, and you just change the ambient color and you drag it. If you want a specific part to be of another material, I just go here, and for example, let's make I don't want the screen to be of the same material as the rest of the body, right? So I just select, I grow, and I copy this material, name it for example yellow, and select yellow, and then drag it. You need to have the polygon selected. Okay, and here it is. Okay, and if you have another materials, for example this one, it will be from another material as well. So we go, we grow it, we click drag to make a copy. Let's make another name, let's choose some blue, yeah, and then we drag. So at this moment we have three separated colors. This will mean that we can add three separated materials in Quixel Suite. And how can you bake these ones? You just go here, you select your model, and we go to rendering. We go to render to texture, and we need to make sure that, wait a bit, so we need to make sure that our render is, let me just check, default scanline renderer. Okay, so what we need to do, we go here, down, and we click add, and we're going to click diffuse map. Okay, I'm just going to change my directory. I want it to be a JPEG, not a PNG, because if you use PNG you will have to go to Photoshop to add a black background. Okay, so I'm just going to call it radio tutorial ID map. Okay, output into source, and we can render it. Continue. As you can see, it's basically mine, but mine is already prepared. Okay, we're going to use this one because it's the different materials that I used to make this one. Okay, I think the colors are the same, but you could use just one. Okay, so I'm just going to do it with this one. So this is how you bake your ID map. What we need to do next, we can close 3ds Max, I think. Yeah, we can close it. Don't save. And we're going to open Marmoset Toolbag. I'm just going to change my my sky browser. Wait, my sky museum. I don't know. I like this one. It doesn't change anything, and we're going to drag radio tutorial I and radio tutorial wall. Wait a bit. So it's done. What we need to do, okay? We're going to add this new baker. Okay, we add and click it, and you will have the I and the wall, and we name it I and wall so we know which one is the I and which one is the wall. So we drag the I into the I and the wall into the wall, and we click on wall. Okay, and this is basically our cage. Okay, I'm just going to maybe decrease the offline. No, this area is going off a little bit. So what we need to do is we can paint the offset. Okay, so clicking on control to raise it, I'm just going to paint the offset. Okay, and for this I will bake to 2K. Yeah, I go here on baker. I'm just going to leave it on 2K. I always make samples 16 times. Okay, and we're going to bake the normals object, the ambient occlusion, and curvature. Yeah, and I will go and make it and save it. Tutorial map. Okay, and now I think we can new buttons. So I think we can bake them. Okay, so smooth cage. Okay, select it and bake. It's really fast, Marmoset, much faster than X-Normal, and gives beautiful results. So we press this button to preview the material, and if we go and deselect it, you can see you almost can't distinguish my normal low poly of my high poly. Basically, this is the high poly and this one is the low poly. As you can see, the normals are really nicely baked. Okay, so now this is done in Marmoset Toolbag. We can go to Quixel, I think. Yeah, we have here our normals. Let's check out. Okay, this is our normals. We have our object tangent. We have our curvature. I think I will change a little bit. I will make it layer from background. Okay, I will use levels. Okay, we'll make it just so the white is a little bit. Just a moment. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we can save this. Okay, it's saved, and we have also our AO map. so it's done. Okay, so we have all that we need. So what we need, we will do. Okay, I like to do one thing. I like to open Marmoset, and I like to open a project in NDO. Okay, I open Quixel, I click on NDO. I'm just going to drag my normal map. Okay, where is my normal map? Is here. Okay, I drag it, I open it, and what I do, I just wait from background. We don't really need to do this, but and I go to my resources file because I have there all my alphas and all that stuff. Just a bit. It's not how it looks, but resources, yeah. And I like one that is here. I use it a lot, the vault. Okay, I will just use it to exemplify what you can do with Marmoset. Okay, Marmoset to undo, sorry. So we scale it down. Okay, press it. Okay, we need to do one thing. Okay, you really need to rasterize the layer. Okay, rasterize. I'm going to click out to copy and shift at the same time, so we can drag in multiple in the right position. Okay, direction, I mean. We selected, we can go out, shift, and go. I'm just going to simplify. Okay, we can merge these layers because it will be the same, the normal, and we can go here and turn on press this button. Okay, so as you can see, our bolts are here, but there is something wrong. Our normal map has disappeared, and so what we need to do is to go over here, and where it says pass through, we need to go to the mode and change it to overlay, and in this way you see the normal map. Okay, just going to change a little bit. Oops, click on the layer, change the side to 1, and the contrast, a bit of softness, maybe not. I like 1, I think 1 is the best, yeah. So that's done. Yeah, that's okay. You can add more, but I like to do this. Okay, I like to go and save it. I think he has created, maybe it didn't create it, I don't know. Just a moment. Save as. Yeah. I'm just going to check it to preview on Marmoset. I'm going to save it in our desktop. Just a moment. We have here, and if we go again with our low, I'm just going to preview the normal. Okay. Base material, as you can see, the volts are here. I'm just going to exemplify. I won't be adding more normals. Okay, I'll be just adding these ones. So it's done. They look nice. We can delete it. So this is our normal map. We can delete this one, and we will be using this one. Okay. So now we are going to launch the dupe, and we're going to our mesh, the low poly one. Okay, we're going to choose our material ID that I made previously, our normal that we did now, I think it's this one, base material normal, yeah, AO, object space normal is this one, and curvature is this one. Okay, maybe 2K. Yeah, just going to change desktop. Yeah, that's okay. I will be using my export target as ENT5. Okay, yeah, and you click create. Okay, let's wait a bit. Okay, now what we can do, let's see one thing. So this part is yellow, it's yellow and it's kind of plastic. Okay, we can go here to our smart material, and maybe not smart material, maybe I will go to a normal one. Okay, I think it broke. No, or it's me, sorry, I didn't click it, or maybe I did. So we go here. I think I know what I will use. I will use paint, thick machine paint, yeah. Let's create it. Let it create. I'm just going to open 3D because I don't know the colors. 3D is the viewer of Quixel suit. Okay, it comes free if you buy NDO or DDO, and we just had the basic post processing, so it's done. Okay, just change the way it looks. Okay, I will change the cover to something more lifelike. Okay, I don't know, maybe this one. Yeah, maybe this one. So here we have this. Okay, I'm going to mask it. If you click on the viewer and click on C, you can see the colors. Okay, so we want this material to be on the right side. Okay, this is where the ID map comes to life. Okay, we can go here, click on the right button, and mask layer to ID. Okay, and the color was red, right? Okay, so we click here. If you want to, for example, be the material to be on the red and blue, just click on the red and control and click on the blue. Okay, for now we're just going to click on the red one, red part, sorry. So let's wait a bit. So it is done. What we need more? Okay, I don't know what we need more, to being honest. I think I will go for a plastic, a rubber, maybe rubber. Okay, I will go for maybe this one or this one, maybe this one. Yeah, I'll go for this one, and I will mask it. Let me see the colors. Mask to blue, yellow, and green. Yeah, blue, yellow, and green. Mask layer to ID, and clicking control. Just a bit. We click on the green, control, on the blue, and on the yellow. Yeah, it's done. And now we can add another material. We are just going to add it, maybe plastic, maybe PVC. I'm not sure, sorry if I could spell today. No, let me see on the smart materials list. Sometimes I have better materials there. Let me see the part of plastic, please. Quixel tends to be sometimes slow, sorry. I think I will be using this one. I use this one. Okay, okay, and we can mask it to our blue layer. Okay, okay, mask it to the blue part. Okay, okay, so I will show you something cool. Okay, pretend that your model went wrong, you're baking normals. Okay, and you already had some stuff done and you wanted to use another normal map that you had. Okay, I'm just going to save it. I'm going to pick another normal map that I had. Just go into my files, models completed, to do projects. I'm going to portable radio. Yeah, it's here. I think it's this one, maybe radio NDO. Maybe it's this one. Let me see. Yeah, it's this one. And you want to re-render the project with a new normal. Okay, I'm just going to copy this one to here. I'm just going to rename it radio tutorial re-render. Okay, and then if we go here and we have this option, okay, open the re-importer to configure input maps, okay. So we click it and we need to change our normal, right? So we click on normal and we will have our re-render. It's here, okay. So we click it, and if it is the only one that we need to change, we can click it, re-render, okay. Let's wait a bit. Quixel is a little bit more slow than Substance Painter, but when you really see the power of Quixel when you start to go to 8K and 16K, because it's the same time when you go to that kind of size in Substance Painter, it starts to crumble basically. And I know this because I also use Substance Painter. I use much more design, but I also use Substance Painter, so I know what it feels. So we can now open 3D to see how it looks with our normal map, new one. Okay, just going to quick basic post processing. Okay, and what we can do, okay, I'm not going to be really detailed over here. What we can do to add some decals, okay. I think I will open some stuff. No, I will add the steel to the buttons, okay. I will be here and click material, go to steel and dusty. I will show this one, okay, great. And now we are going to paint it, okay. Can go steel dusty, and we're going to paint. We click here and it will show, would you like to paint in full shaded mode? Click no for quick editing. If you click no, it will only show the black and white masks. If you click yes, it will show all the material. Because this project is not that heavy, I can click on yes. So we can paint the material itself without showing the black and white masks. We can go here and choose the black. Black means that it has no information, and yeah, it will be a circle. We're going to increase the opacity and change the color to white. With B, you can rotate. You can see because you can rotate. Click on B and left side mouse. You can see because it's a circle, and you can increase with the right side. Okay. So we're going to size it to fit this one. We click here, okay. Click here. Just going to paint it, not really that detailed, okay. And we can paint also the letters, okay. What I do to paint this kind of stuff, and I click. Sorry. Yeah. It needs to be pushed just a moment. It needs to be pushed over here, okay, as you can see. And now we can paint it. We're going to change the color again, okay. The size I think is good. What I do in this case is that I click, okay, and shift to another place, and it will be a nice line, okay. So we can do this kind of stuff really quick, okay. This one it will be by hand, okay. This one click shift, click shift, click shift, okay. It's just really to show you because I already completed this project. We go over this, okay, it's already painted. Wow. We can go here, black, adjust it and erase this one, okay. So I guess it's done, okay. This part is done. Maybe just, oh yeah, go over here, make this, why not, just opacity, make it better, okay. Make the bolts really large. I don't really care, just do it. We have buttons, no. We have bolts in this side, okay, they're okay. Dun, dun. And this one is the last one, okay. So this part is done, and I will show you now how you can, for example, use the AO to paint some dirt in the concavities, okay. I'll paint dirt, and I will do maybe sand, beach, yeah, I will use this one. As you can see, and if you go here, edit paint, yep, and we're going to choose a preset, okay. We're going to choose a preset that uses our AO, maybe sandy dirt, maybe, I'm not sure, I will be testing. Well, it adds a little bit of dirt, yeah, but it's not really what I wanted, to be honest. This one adds this kind of stuff. Let's see rich occlusion, what it gives to us. Doesn't seem to add a lot. Fake paint heavy. No, I think I will use that one, the sandy dirt, yeah, or this one, the sand. Let's see. Yeah, it's this one, yeah, that's okay. We are just going to, no, we're going to accept it, and then we're going to change the opacity, okay. We go here and change a little bit of texture intensity and opacity, and it's done, yeah. So this is done, and now I'm going to show you how you can add some emissive stuff, okay. We can close it, and we can go, I will go and search for some stuff I had previously. So let's see. Okay, I picked up this one from the internet, okay. I will just go to drag it in the albedo, okay, and I'm going to crop it, rasterize first and then crop it, okay. We're going to place it here. Okay, a little bit opacity. Okay, I think I have this one digital, yeah, digital 7. I'm just going to type frequency, whatever, frequency 88.7 or 0.6, whatever, and I'm going to place it here and change the color to something more nice, I guess. Go here, like a gray one, yeah, this one. I'm just going to increase the size. So now I'm just going to show you what we have here. So okay, now we have this. I think we can weave this kind of texture, okay, it won't really matter. So we have this, but it's not shining, okay, it's not emitting any light, and I will show you how you can do that, okay. You can go, and I'm just going to merge these ones, merge layers, and what we are going to do, we're going to select, we copy, let me just make sure it's copied, I don't think it was, copy, and then we are going to here, okay, and we're going to add new map. You have a really nice variety of them, but we're going to use emissive, and it will create an emissive material for us. Okay, so here it is. I don't really know why it has this kind of stuff, but I think we can just make something work out of this. Okay, I'm just going to paint it on top. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to create a new layer, or I'm just going to paint it, yeah. And now yeah, if you want to add some stuff, I think it's ready. Let me see. I think it's already emissive. We can go to our emissive and emissive, yeah. I'm just going to make it a little bit more bright. Okay, I'm going to image, adjustments, vibrance. Just going to add it, increase a bit the saturation and increase the brightness, and I'm going to refresh the 3D. Okay, this is how we refresh 3D. As you can see, it's emitting light even when it's on the dark. Okay, so this is how you kind of do the workflow between 3ds Max. It's not really a complete project, but it's only to show you what you can do. Okay, I'm going to show you how the final work ended up. Okay, I'm just going to open Marmoset, change the sky, museum, yeah. I'm just going to delete these files so it doesn't make me any confusion. Do projects, portable radio, default. We can go here, do projects, portable radio, normal map, gloss map, albedo map, specular map. We need our occlusion map, I don't know where is my occlusion, but it is my occlusion. Okay, and we need our emissive. Okay, emissive, please, thank you very much. And our emissive is on here. Okay, so let me change the sky. I don't really like this one to be honest now. Garage, yeah, garage or Tokyo, anything, just you to see. Okay, so this is how it end up to be. Okay, final project. You can create awesome stuff with Quixel, and you can change the emissive value. Okay, you can turn it off the screen, you can turn it on by changing the value of the emissive light. Okay, so I hope you liked it, guys, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. If you don't subscribe, but okay. So see you guys.